Okay, it's Friday, which means it's assembly time. Now, this week I want to say a special thank you to our ECP teams who did a great job researching ideas to stop us going corona crazy. Some great ideas, mental challenges, physical challenges, artistic challenges, like learn a dance routine with your classmates and then have a dance off live on Zoom. Now, I will say, I have seen some very interesting dancing this week, but for me, I will never dance on camera again. It's too embarrassing. I'm sorry, I can't do it. So I am out. Thank you. Well, that was a wee surprise. Okay, another ECP game is Kim's Game, Room Edition. Look behind me. There are some objects. Now you can do this online with your friends. I will change the position of an object. You tell me which one did I change. Okay, I'll switch off the camera. Take a good look. Okay, here I go. This is taking longer than I thought. Stay with me. Okay. My goodness. Right, I'm back. Thank you for waiting. Now, have a look. I changed something. What did I change?